Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You believe said Jesus a really God boy picnic? What would that have to happen to make you really believe? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss the reading them will come out 5 o'clock every morning Jamaica time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 45 to verse 56. Now, from middle day, the whole place get dark till 3 o'clock. When it catch about 3 o'clock, Jesus shout out loud, Eli, Eli, lema sabachthani. That mean, me God, what make you left me and gone? When some of the people them, when they turn up there, hear him, them say, the man ya call for Elijah. Said time, one of them run go get one sponge and fill it up with sour wine and put it on one piece of thick and give him for drink. But the rest of them say, left him and make we see if Elijah I go come save him. Then Jesus bawl out again loud and put him spirit in a God hand. Same time, the curtain where did hang up in a God house split in a two from top to bottom. The earth shake up and the rock stone them split open. Tomb fly out, man, whole heap of God people them where they dead come back alive. Them come out of them tomb. And after Jesus dead and come back, them go in a Jerusalem and whole heap of people see them. When they head for 100 soldier and the soldier them where they dead with him, a guard Jesus, see the earthquake and all where did happen, them catch them free, wicked. Hear them now. For real. That one ya did a God boy picnic. For true. Whole heap of woman did turn up further out and watch where go on. Them did come with Jesus from Galilee and did a look after him. In the group, you did have Mary Magdalene, Mary, that are James and Joseph mother, and Zebedee boy picnic them mother. They did it too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.